Hi everyone, this is Miss Serna with helpful information about the technology log. Hopefully helpful. I'm going to show you guys how to use it. All right, first, if you could write your name where it says teacher, and then on the inside is the exchange log, and on the right side is a Ziploc bag or an envelope with the passes that we will use to send students to the office with so they can exchange their technology. So today on August 20th, I'm gonna write my name. I am trying to I brought my broken charger to school. Reason for visit to the office, charger not working. And so that is gonna be on the log. And then here is the pass that I'm sending the student with. So I'll fill that out. So I filled out my pass. My student ID I did not write down. But we can probably get that information if you don't have that on hand. My teacher name I wrote down Miss Long, and charger is not working. So then I would send the student with this and the broken charger. Okay, I'm wrong. You do not just send the charger. You send the entire device and the charger. So you would send the laptop or the Chromebook with the charger together, even though it's just the charger that is malfunctioning. I got clarification on that. So now I am going with my pass and my device and my charger to the office. And so now I'm in the office and have turned in my pass, and the adults in the office, Ms. Long or Evelyn and Franny, let us know what to do next, and hopefully we can get our kids ready with their new devices as soon as possible. I hope that was a helpful video. Please let me or Ms. Long know if you have any questions, and have a great weekend. Oh, one thing. If you are a 2nd to 5th grade teacher, if you feel comfortable, I think it could be a good idea for students to fill out the log and the pass themselves, even if it takes a little bit of extra time. I think it's a great teachable moment to allow kids to learn a sense of responsibility for their very expensive belongings. Library classes start Monday, August 30th, which is not this Monday, but the Monday after. And I will send a final schedule out this coming week, probably on Tuesday, and I will touch base with anybody who I have not heard from. Don't worry. Here's to a great year. Thanks.